Dear finance professionals and students, welcome to podcast of Fca Deepak Rao, a practicing chartered accountant. Daily news and updates for 30th November 2024. The Department of Telecommunications has softened the bank guarantee waiver rules for spectrum auctions held before 2022. Easing the financial burden on telecom companies, including Vodafone Idea. Telecom operators can now avoid paying an additional amount for 3 months in advance. This change is expected to help Vodafone Idea secure more credit and improve its financial position. India's economic growth slowed to 5.4% in the second quarter of financial year 25. This decline is from 7.6% last year and 6.7% in the first quarter. Economists cite weaker consumption and bad weather as reasons. Retail food inflation surged and corporate earnings fell. The RBI maintained its growth forecast but showed caution due to inflation. Government officials and analysts expect a gradual economic recovery in the later half of financial year 25, driven by increased state spending following elections and improved rural demand after a favorable harvest. Construction activity and service sector momentum are also anticipated to support growth. India's growth trajectory in the coming months will depend on managing inflationary pressures and reviving consumption to stabilize the economic momentum. The compensation paid by Global Capability Centers or GCCs is expected to be over 50% more than the remuneration paid out by other sectors in the software development domain in 2024-25. GCCs are expected to outpace information technology products and services and non-tech sectors in compensation, particularly in critical domains such as software development and cybersecurity. An analysis by Teamlease Digital showed. Early-stage venture capital firm Stellaris Venture Partners, which has invested in startups such as Mamaearth parent Honasa Consumers and Whatfix, has closed its third fund of $300 million. Over the next 3 years, the new fund will invest in 25 to 30 startups in seed or Series A stages in consumer tech, artificial intelligence, software as service, and financial services. With the launch of this new fund, Stellaris has more than $600 million in assets under management. Fund 3 saw repeat investments from existing limited partners as well as new commitments from global investors such as university endowments, foundations, pension funds, and fund of funds. Cross-border investments are now a crucial component of family offices' business strategies as they increase their global presence. To diversify their portfolios and pursue greater returns, these organizations are increasingly moving outside their home markets with a projected $5.9 trillion in assets under administration globally as of 2024. Cross-border ventures, however, come with several challenges from complex legal frameworks to volatile exchange rates and geopolitical unpredictability. This podcast is sponsored by Sound of CA. We share